See the activation here. Look at this. That's cool, isn't it?
Weather radio's warning device. During potentially dangerous weather situations or other emergencies, special drill receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. These receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service.
I was about to get this GoPro and record the other radio too.
Reception of this program and the warning alarm will vary at any given location.
I'll show you my other radio.
Distances from the transmitter.
Hold on.
Warning service possible. The warning alarm
I'll
will
show
be
you my other
activated.
radio.
Other environmental emergencies affecting the following North Carolina counties.
Look, that's my other radio. It's not on.
Caswell, Chatham, Davidson, Davie, Durham, Edgecombe, Forsyth, Franklin, Granville, Greene, Guilford, Halifax, Harnett, Hoke, Iredell, Johnson, Lee, Martin, Montgomery, Moore, Nash, Northampton, Orange, Person, Randolph, Richmond, Rockingham, Rowan, Scotland, Stanley, Stoughton, Union, Vance, Wheat, Warren, Wayne, Wilkes, Wilson, and Yadkin. The warning alarm will also be activated for the following counties in South Carolina: Henry, Mecklenburg, Patrick, and Pittsylvania. This includes the independent cities of Galax, Martinsville, and Danville. Repeating, the National Weather Service has just activated the public warning alarm tone in a test of the weather radio's warning alarm system.
The most static
Here is the
radio ever in the entire world, Malik. At least I got a test caught on camera.